You know how when you're at the airport and they tell you to put your liquids in a separate bin? Well, imagine that, but on a much larger scale, with things that could literally explode. That's the world of dangerous goods in aviation. We're talking about everything from fireworks and gasoline to radioactive materials and infectious substances. Today we're going behind the scenes to see how these materials are transported safely through the air. Imagine you're on an airport tarmac. Amidst the organized chaos, there's a section dedicated to dangerous goods. These aren't your average suitcases. We're talking about cargo containers labeled with hazard symbols, carefully loaded onto aircraft with meticulous precision. These containers hold everything from lithium batteries and dry ice to explosives and flammable liquids. Handling these materials is no joke. There's a reason why there are strict regulations and highly trained professionals dedicated to ensuring these goods are transported safely. These goods play a vital role in our lives, from powering our homes to delivering life-saving medical supplies. But their transportation comes with inherent risks, and that's why understanding the intricacies of this process is so important. So buckle up, get ready for a wild ride, and let's uncover the fascinating world of dangerous goods in aviation. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving into the world of flammable liquids. This category, classified as Class 3 dangerous goods, includes substances that can ignite easily and burn rapidly. We're talking about everyday items like gasoline, paints, adhesives, and even some perfumes. Now you might be surprised to learn just how prevalent flammable liquids are in our daily lives. They fuel our cars, power our lawnmowers, and even add that perfect shine to our furniture. But when it comes to transporting them, especially by air, things get a whole lot more complicated. One of the biggest challenges with flammable liquids is their volatility. These substances have a low flash point, meaning they can easily evaporate and create flammable vapors. Transporting flammable liquids requires specialized packaging, careful handling procedures, and strict adherence to regulations. We're talking about specially designed drums and containers made from materials that can withstand the pressure and prevent leaks. Those colorful hazard labels provide crucial information to anyone handling these liquids, indicating the specific dangers involved. Now let's talk about a class of dangerous goods that might not be as well known but are equally important to handle with care: oxidizers. These substances, classified as Class 5, have the ability to make other materials burn more easily. Think of them as the oxygen that fuels a fire, making it burn hotter and faster. Some common examples of oxidizers include hydrogen peroxide, fertilizers, and even some types of pool chemicals. You might be surprised to learn that oxidizers are used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and agriculture to healthcare and even rocket fuel. But their ability to accelerate combustion also makes them potentially dangerous during transportation. One of the key challenges with transporting oxidizers is preventing them from coming into contact with incompatible materials. Oxidizers are carefully packaged and labeled to prevent any accidental mixing. The IATA has specific regulations in place for transporting oxidizers, covering everything from the types of packaging allowed to the maximum quantities that can be transported in a single aircraft. Let's move on to a category of dangerous goods that can literally eat through metal corrosives. These substances, classified as Class 8, are notorious for their ability to cause severe damage to human tissue and other materials. We're talking about strong acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and even some household cleaners. Corrosives might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but they're actually essential for a wide range of industries. They're used in everything from manufacturing and construction to agriculture and even swimming pool maintenance. But their corrosive nature also makes them a major hazard during transportation. One of the biggest challenges with transporting corrosives is preventing leaks and spills. These substances can eat through metal, plastic, and even concrete, so you can imagine the damage they could cause if they were to escape their containers during transport. Corrosives are typically transported in sturdy, leak-proof containers made from materials that can resist their corrosive effects. Those hazard labels with the scary skull and crossbones provide crucial information to anyone handling these substances, indicating the specific dangers involved. Welcome to the miscellaneous category of dangerous goods, or as we like to call it, Class 9. It's like the "and everything else" section of the dangerous goods world, where you'll find a hodgepodge of items that don't quite fit into the other categories but still require special handling. We're talking about things like lithium batteries, dry ice, genetically modified organisms, and even some environmentally hazardous substances. Now you might be thinking, what's so dangerous about a lithium battery or a block of dry ice? Well, let me tell you, these seemingly harmless items can pack a punch if not handled properly. Take lithium batteries, for example. These powerhouses are found in everything from our smartphones and laptops to electric cars and airplanes, but they also have the potential to overheat, catch fire, or even explode if damaged, overcharged, or exposed to extreme temperatures. That's why there are strict regulations in place for transporting lithium batteries, especially in large quantities. So there you have it, guys, a glimpse into the often unseen world of dangerous goods transportation. It's a complex and highly regulated industry, but it's also one that's crucial for our modern way of life. From the fuel that powers our cars to the medicines that keep us healthy, so many of the things we rely on every day are transported as dangerous goods. Thanks to the hard work and dedication of countless professionals in the aviation and logistics industries, these goods are transported safely and efficiently every single day. But remember, safety always comes first, and it's up to all of us to stay informed and do our part to keep the skies friendly for everyone.